Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make baby stuffed zucchinis. This is a very simple, healthy and easy recipe. So let's get started. So the ingredients with the baby zucchinis are very simple. I will use quinoa today, about 1.5 kilos of baby zucchinis, just some chopped parsley for decoration, some parmesan to give this creaminess to the texture, shallot, 2 cloves of garlic and 1 green chili. So I'm using the green chili because it's not too spicy, but if you'd like to spice up your recipe, you can use a red chili. So first thing first, I will start with my zucchinis or courgette, what is easier to call them. So I'll just trim the ends and I will cut them in half, just like this. So now after the courgettes are prepared, I will use a small spoon and I'll remove just slightly the middle of the courgettes, and I will use it later on. So after you remove the seeds from the zucchinis, just transfer them on a plate or on another like chopping board and sprinkle them lightly with salt and leave them to sit about 5 minutes because they'll release the water, so we want to remove that water. So let's set this aside and we'll prepare the next ingredients. Don't throw this away because we will use it for our mixture. So while we are preparing the rest of the ingredients, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finely chop the seeds of the baby zucchinis. Finely chop the onion, the chili, and grate the parmesan as well. So after we prepared our ingredients, I will just dry out the zucchinis with a paper towel and I will put them in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees just to get them roasted. Meanwhile as well, I will fry just lightly the onions, the garlic, the chili and the seeds from the zucchinis as well. So when we fried all our ingredients, just transfer them into a food processor, add the parmesan and blitz it to form a paste. Now with the spoon, just transfer the mixture into the zucchinis, just on top. So now we will transfer the zucchinis into the oven for at least 30 minutes at 180 degrees. So this was my recipe of stuffed baby zucchinis. They're delicious, easy to make as well, and healthy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a delicious, quick and healthy recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.